Mauritania, a country in West Africa, is a land of diverse landscapes. From the arid expanses of the Sahara Desert to the lush green oases that dot the landscape, Mauritania is a country of contrasts. The terrain here is as varied as it is breathtaking, offering a visual feast for those who venture into this lesser-known part of the world. It is where the vast Sahara Desert meets the Atlantic Ocean. This unique geographical feature creates a stunning juxtaposition of endless sand dunes and the deep blue waters of the Atlantic. The coastline stretches for miles, offering pristine beaches that are often deserted, providing a perfect escape for those seeking solitude and natural beauty. This creates a unique blend of natural wonders. The meeting of the desert and the ocean is not just a visual spectacle, but also a habitat for a variety of wildlife. Here, you can find species that have adapted to both the arid desert and the coastal environment, making it a fascinating area for nature enthusiasts. From towering sand dunes to vibrant coastal areas, Mauritania offers something for everyone. The sand dunes, some of the highest in the world, are a playground for adventure seekers, offering opportunities for sandboarding, camel trekking, and off-road driving. Meanwhile, the coastal areas are perfect for those who enjoy water sports, fishing, or simply relaxing by the sea. Come explore this hidden gem of Africa. Mauritania is a country that remains largely untouched by mass tourism, making it an ideal destination for those looking to experience something truly unique and off the beaten path. The landscapes here are diverse and stunning, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Mauritania is known for its nomadic culture and rich history. The nomadic tribes of Mauritania have roamed these lands for centuries, living in harmony with the harsh environment. Their way of life, traditions, and customs offer a fascinating glimpse into a culture that has remained largely unchanged for generations. It is a place where ancient traditions meet modern life. In the cities, you can see the blend of old and new, with traditional markets and modern buildings standing side by side. Historical sites, such as ancient cities and rock art, tell the story of Mauritania's rich past and its importance as a crossroads of civilizations. The country is also home to a variety of plant and animal life, many of which have adapted to the harsh desert conditions. From resilient desert plants to unique wildlife, Mauritania's natural environment is as diverse as its landscapes. The national parks and protected areas offer a sanctuary for these species, providing opportunities for wildlife viewing and ecological research. Whether you are an adventure seeker or a culture enthusiast, Mauritania has something to offer. The country's diverse attractions cater to a wide range of interests, from thrilling outdoor activities to immersive cultural experiences. You can explore ancient ruins, participate in traditional festivals, or simply enjoy the tranquility of the desert. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty and wonder of this incredible country. Mauritania is a destination that promises to leave a lasting impression, with its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. So pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable journey to discover the hidden treasures of Mauritania. The Banc d'Arguin National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located on the Atlantic coast of Mauritania. This park is a vital habitat for millions of migratory birds. The park is a haven for bird watchers. You can see a wide variety of species. Some of these include flamingos, pelicans, and terns. The park also protects important marine life. Banc d'Arguin is not just about birds. It also has stunning desert landscapes. Explore the dunes and enjoy the tranquility of this unique ecosystem. Chinguetti is a historic trading town in the heart of the Sahara Desert. It was once a major center of Islamic scholarship. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Chinguetti is known for its ancient libraries. These libraries house thousands of manuscripts. These manuscripts cover subjects like science, religion, and literature. Visitors can explore the libraries and learn about the town's rich history. Chinguetti offers a glimpse into a bygone era. It is a must-visit for history buffs and culture enthusiasts. The Adrar Plateau is a vast and rugged plateau. It is located in central Mauritania. The plateau is characterized by dramatic rock formations. It also has deep canyons and ancient riverbeds. One of the most striking features of the Adrar Plateau is the Richat structure. It is also known as the Eye of Africa. This geological dome is visible from space. Visitors can explore the plateau by 4x4 vehicle, hike through the canyons, and marvel at the otherworldly beauty of this unique landscape. Section 5. The Enchanting Eye of Africa. Deep within the vast, arid expanse of the Sahara Desert lies a site that has captivated scientists, geologists, and travelers alike for decades. The Richat structure, often referred to as the Eye of Africa. This massive circular formation spans over 25 miles in diameter and is easily visible from space, making it one of the most striking natural landmarks on our planet. Initially, scientists believed it to be an impact crater caused by a meteorite collision. But further research has revealed that the Richat structure is actually a geological dome, formed by millions of years of erosion and natural geological processes. Its concentric rings are composed of various types of rock, including sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic rocks, creating a mesmerizing pattern when seen from above. These rings tell a story of the Earth's geological history, revealing layers upon layers of ancient rock formations. While the scientific explanation of its formation is fascinating and continues to be a subject of study, the sheer scale and otherworldly beauty of the Eye of Africa continue to inspire awe and wonder in those who visit this remote corner of Mauritania. Travelers who make the journey to this isolated location are often struck by the surreal and almost alien landscape that surrounds them. The Richat structure's unique appearance has also sparked numerous myths and legends over the years. Some believe it to be the remnants of the lost city of Atlantis, while others see it as a natural wonder that holds the secrets of the Earth's past. The Eye of Africa has been a subject of intrigue not only for scientists, but also for historians and adventurers who seek to uncover the mysteries of our world. As the sun sets over the Sahara, casting long shadows across the desert, the Richat structure stands as a testament to the incredible forces of nature that have shaped our planet. Its beauty and mystery continue to draw people from all corners of the globe, each hoping to catch a glimpse of this enchanting geological wonder. Under the vast night sky, with stars twinkling above, the Eye of Africa remains a beacon of natural beauty and a reminder of the Earth's ever-changing landscape. Whether viewed from space or up close, the Richat structure is a true marvel of our world. For those who venture to this remote part of Mauritania, the experience is nothing short of magical. The Eye of Africa is not just a geological formation. It is a symbol of the Earth's dynamic history and a source of endless fascination for all who encounter it. Section 6. Beyond the Scenic Wonders. While Mauritania's landscapes are undoubtedly breathtaking, the country offers much more than just scenic beauty. The people of Mauritania are known for their warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage. Experience the vibrant markets, where you can find everything from colorful textiles and intricate jewelry to aromatic spices and fresh produce. Immerse yourself in the local culture by attending a traditional music and dance performance. From the bustling capital city of Nouakchott to the remote desert villages, Mauritania offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Section 7. Discover Mauritania your way. Whether you're an adventurous traveler seeking thrills in the Sahara Desert, where the vast expanse of golden sand dunes stretches as far as the eye can see, or a culture enthusiast eager to delve into ancient traditions, Mauritania has something for everyone. The rich cultural tapestry of this nation is woven with vibrant festivals, traditional music, and the colorful attire of its people. Embark on a camel trek across the rolling sand dunes, where the rhythmic sway of the camel's gait takes you back in time to the days of ancient caravans. Camp under the star-studded desert sky, where the Milky Way stretches across the heavens, offering a breathtaking view that is free from the light pollution of modern cities. Witness the nomadic way of life that has thrived in this region for centuries. Meet the hospitable nomadic tribes who have mastered the art of living in harmony with the harsh desert environment. Explore the ancient ruins of Koumbi Sala, a site that whispers tales of a bygone era. wander through the remnants of what was once a bustling center of trade and culture. Once a thriving center of the Ghana Empire, these historical ruins stand as a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of early African civilizations. No matter your interests, a journey through Mauritania promises to be an adventure of a lifetime. From the serene landscapes to the rich cultural heritage, every moment spent here is bound to leave an indelible mark on your soul. So pack your bags, set your spirit free, and discover Mauritania your way. Section 8. What adventures await? We've only just scratched the surface of what Mauritania has to offer. From the vibrant culture and ancient history to the diverse landscapes and unique wildlife, this hidden gem of West Africa is waiting to be explored. What other hidden gems would you like to discover in Mauritania? Let us know in the comments below. Section 9. Join the journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and amazing destinations around the world. Your support helps us create more content like this and share the beauty of our planet with the world. Section 10. Keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the stunning landscapes and cultural treasures of Mauritania. We hope this video has inspired you to add this incredible country to your travel bucket list. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep traveling.